If you love coffee and you love jello, you're gonna love this coffee jelly recipe I have for you. It's kind of like having coffee jello with cream. So make sure you have all your tools and ingredients, because I hate when I start a recipe and then I find out I don't have a tool or ingredient ready. Then we're going to make sure to bloom the gelatin first and give it some time. This way it doesn't clump when we mix everything together. Try not to spill. Then using hot coffee, we're going to mix everything together, except your cream ingredients, because that's going to be later.
And now is later. While the coffee mixture is cooling, you're going to make the cream. And it's easy peasy, you're going to mix everything together. And don't be a savage with your extra condensed milk. Please move it to a different container that isn't the can that you opened it with. When your coffee mixture is fully cooled, now you can pour it into all the containers that you prepared.
And now we wait, because patience is key for this. You have to let the coffee jelly cool and then refrigerate for a few hours so it becomes like jelly. So while you wait, you can either just doom scroll, read a book, or you can think about something from 5 years ago that you still think about today and you wish you had said something else and it still keeps you up at night and you wonder if like you had said something else and maybe it would have been different. You can use a hand mixer to whip the whipped cream, but since I'm not making them much, I'm just doing it by hand.
The trick is to make sure your cream is super cold when you start whipping, and then you whisk until you get soft peaks.
Now we can start assembling everything. This is actually one of my favorite parts, is putting everything together. So there's different ways you can set this up. As you can see, you can put the coffee jelly mixture in a container and then slice it up after it's chilled and then move it into your desired cup.
And then all you have to do is pour over the cream, and if you want, you can put the whipped cream on top, sprinkle a little bit of cocoa, put a little bit of cute sprinkles on top, and you will have the cutest cup of coffee jelly.
Or you can just put the cooled coffee jelly directly into the cup you want to serve in and just put the cream right on top when it's ready and then just beep, 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 mix it up and it's ready to eat. Whoops.
So cute, and this is really refreshing for when the days are too hot and you don't want to bake. But to be honest, if you're like me and you love icy drinks throughout all winter too, then you'll probably enjoy this at any time of the year, because we love a light and sweet coffee. I'm actually more of a tea person, but this coffee jelly and tiramisus are my coffee weaknesses. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and you can find more step-by-step instructions on the blog post for this recipe. Follow Sparkle Cakery if you want to learn more about how baking is fun and approachable from me, a professionally trained pastry artist. Okay, bye!